a young and rambling Irishman. So here's good luck to the rifles and the Enniskillens too, and not forgetting the Dubliners, for they are Irish too. For side by side they fought and died as decent soldiers can. As you all know well, like Niamh Pearl was won by an Irishman. Says one unto the other, here comes an Irish boy. They took us in to dine with them, and they gave us all they had. And the very next toast that went round the room, good luck to an Irish